What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Generac W160 pressure washer. Now, I'm hoping at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which it will get used this year because I know since the fact this thing's going to get used again this year. Because it did get used since the last month, you could see, because you could tell that none of the nutrition has been sitting here for, why well, not, like I said, we don't use this thing this often, which is definitely how much we expected this machine exactly, which I really surprised to see it's actually been getting used almost like quite a bit because, well, this machine here exactly, it's definitely not a bad looking machine in my opinion, but the one thing I actually realized something like this, we thought the pump was fire out in this thing, but it wasn't, so it was take us like a second to get it to water get inside the pump, which it could sometimes, it's definitely how much expected this machine exactly, which it's definitely how much we expected this machine exactly, so it will get used again at some point this year for 2025 exactly, which I don't know when exactly, but I'm hoping this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which it's definitely how much we expected this machine exactly, but don't surprise if this thing's gonna get used almost like quite a bit because, well, I know it's the same thing that this thing's gonna get used at some point this year because I do like this machine because even though this machine's been used almost a couple of times already, but this is a very nice delivery machine, so I do hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, this thing will be used this year.